Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming access and essentials. Log into the platform with your primary account, enable two-step verification, and verify billing details. Once done, submit the beta request or join the waitlist immediately, attaching a concise project summary and contact email so reviewers understand intent. Make sure to create basic IAM roles or permissions for testing, and assemble a small set of representative prompts and sample data to demonstrate use. This accelerates approval and prevents delays. Once you receive access, accept the invite and verify your organization, workspace, and user permissions so team members can collaborate. Then configure the environment. Set region and endpoint, generate API keys, set reasonable rate limits and quotas, and store secrets securely. Next, run controlled initial calls with small payloads, monitor response formats, latency, and error codes, and capture logs. This hands-on testing reveals integration hurdles early and ensures your code handles retries, throttling, and payload size constraints. To complete setup, scale tests gradually. Increase payload size and concurrent requests to observe behavior and estimate costs. Integrate official SDKs into your codebase, add CI tests that validate expected responses, and enable monitoring and alerts for errors and cost spikes. Document model limitations, prompt patterns, and fallback behaviors for the team. If things break, reproduce the issue with debug logs, capture request/response details, and then adjust timeouts, retries, or payload size. That single troubleshooting loop resolves most beta issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.